Hey guys, today we are going to create skibidi toilet. Whoa, mini skibidi toilet. So you watch my video till the last. How I make this skibidi toilet, and you see that skibidi man. So let's see this. So first we have a get a box and a bottle cap and the safety pin and small cardboard for skibidi guy. Now attach them. Okay, this is perfect. And now safety pin. Now the box attach this with a glue gun. Okay, it looks like a toilet. Now this is stand and upper side of toilet. Cut this. Whoa, this is cutted. And now stick. You see. Now stick them with the box and you see the result. This is looks like a toilet, and I use a small cardboard of bucket. You see, I stick this with glue gun. Now this is complete. And now we make skibidi guy. This skibidi guy's face is very strange. I saw this video, so I think why not make it. Okay, it looks like a head. Now stick this neck and cut and around. So safety pin and hole. You see that this is work. So now skibidi guy's face and nose. I attach this with glue gun and I make this eyes, and now the last work is this coloring. Now I use yellow and brown mixing color and some white color for brightness, and now black for hair. You see that I use acrylic color, and now eyes white. You see the skibidi guy's face. Okay, this is ready. So you see the result. Yes, this is work. Now last work is we will paint the toilet with white acrylic color for better toilet. So let's go. Guys, this is ready, the skibidi toilet. Now we see the result of the skibidi guy and skibidi toilet. So we will ready, and are you ready for see this? Let's go.
My style is ridiculous.
Skibidi dum dum dum, yes yes. Skibidi dum dum dim dim. Skibidi dum dum dum, yes yes. Skibidi dum dum dim dim.
My style is ridiculous.
Skibidi dum dum dum, yes yes. Skibidi dum dum dim dim. Skibidi dum dum dum, yes yes. Skibidi dum dum dim dim.
My style is ridiculous.
Okay, now flush this. You see the toilet. Bye bye. So you see the video. So thank you for watching, and you make this in your home. And this looks like a pencil stand. So, and you stand your pencils in this. So like this video. You are new, so subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. So we will meet in next video. Bye bye.